I woke up like this. So, before going to bed, I put my hair up in this little scrunchie that I crocheted. It's nothing but a regular ponytail holder with a beautiful, colorful yarn. And I'm just now brushing out most of those beautiful curls, but you can still see them over here. But you've still got this crazy curl thing. This is part of my ex-bangs, you know, the bangs that were growing that I stopped cutting just so I could have a little bit of bangs up here. So these pieces of hair were not in the holder all night long. However, here is how I sleep with my hair in a little low bun. It's not very tight. It just keeps my hair out of my face while I'm sleeping. Hey, Jane. Yes, I remember why you said you got your hair cut. Nothing like having long hair in your face and mouth smothering you at night. So here is this. I don't have to worry about the hair doing that. I have a little white kitty called Sugar Lumpus. Yeah, his lumpus is usually right here and smothering me. So I made him a little box. This is not about Sugar Lump. This is about waking up with curly curls that are amazing. But yeah, this comes out at night, in the morning, and this is my, I already brushed out most of the beautiful texture that happens while I am sleeping with this in my hair. If your hair is really, really thick, you'll have to take your shower before going straight to bed. So you'll have, it's like this little flip right here, guys. I love it. Oh, can't see it. Sorry. Yeah. It's all curls. Curls, curls, curls. So you've got your curls going on. See what it looks like from this side. Oh, sorry. Yeah, everything is flipped up and looking all curly. So I usually pull the short stuff back in a little bobby pin or clip, and there you've got all that body. Yeah. Just pull all this up, pin it, and there you go. And that's how my hair looks in the morning when I wake up, with this gizmo in it all night, giving it not there for the curls, but just to keep my hair out of my face. But that's the wake up. That's how it wakes up, like all these flippy curls at the bottom. Hang on just a second. Hey, okay then. Here is with a couple little bobby pins stuck in there. And this is all the trouble I go through to do my hair. Got them curls that just came right up in there from the ponytail holder, the sleep time. Let's see if this will give you a view too. Hang on, I'm learning this device, y'all. Yeah, I'm just having these curls going on. And there they are. That's how it goes. Yes, I know bobby pins used to be that big thing. They went out, now they're back. Mine are teal. Oh, yes, indeed. I told you. Let me see. You can't see mine up close. You can see my beautiful gray. My beautiful gray hair. And maybe you can see those teal bobby pins. Yeah, right there. Teal bobby pins right there. That's how you do it, y'all. Simple do. That's all you do. Don't want to worry about curling that hair in the morning. Just go to sleep with that ponytail holder in there and wake up with all these automatic curls. There it is. Floppy floppy. Bouncy bouncy. I tell you guys every time I woke up like this. I was serious. Love you. Jesus loves you more. And I'm his favorite. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this beautiful hairdo he does for me while I sleep. Ah! Jesus loves you. You are his favorite. Don't ever forget it. This was just a little simple talk about wearing a very beautiful crocheted scrunchie with your hair in a little bun at night. I do make these. Get you one. Make you one or tell me if you want one, because I do make these and sell them. Jesus loves you again. Oh, he loves you so much. We can't stop saying how good he is. Love y'all very much. And we're all his favorite. Yes.